Oh my goodness, so much going on. Hey everybody! Let's see if this works. Can everyone hear okay? Testing, testing. Pierre, how's it going? Animate Zach, what up? Shoot. Twitch is not working. Why is Twitch? Oh, Twitch is working. I just can't see anything. Okay, there we go. I think we're live everywhere. Animate Zach says, sounds good for me. Sorry it took so long, Animate Zach. I had some technical difficulties. I'm gonna try and fix some stuff here. Trying to fix my shorts feed. I know you're on the landscape, so you're not seeing this. All right, here we go. Here we go. We are live on... We're live on Facebook. We're live on Twitch. We're live on... Now we're live on TikTok. We're TikToking it. This is going to be a multi... oh, what is that? What is that light? My light is having issues in my background. See, that would be right here. Okay, the weird shadows going on. 1 second. Oh, there we go. I think we're fixed. Holy smokes, I think we're fixed. Danny, how's it going? Defined Lazy, what up over on TikTok? We're going to try this out. We are streaming live. We're doing some different things. We're live right now on the WalterNet Games YouTube channel, both vertically and horizontally. I'm trying to gain some viewers over there. I tried to go live on the WalterNet Facebook, but I cannot, because in order to go live, I just found this out on Facebook, you have to have over 100. You have to have over 100 followers, which we have, and B, you have to you have to have been existing as a channel for over 60 days, which we have not. So we're going live on Checkpoint Professor's Facebook, Checkpoint Professor's Twitch, and Checkpoint Professor's TikTok right now. Partly accessibility. I can't go live on WalterNet's TikTok either. So here we go. Let's get playing. I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to take a trip down memory lane. Everybody, we're playing this game right here. We have a Steam page now, so if you're watching this, go check out Bricks Over Blocks. It's in the description of the it's in the description of the live feed on, or the description on YouTube. But it's also, you can look it up on Steam. Bricks Over Blocks. David, how are you doing? One of the firsts. Thanks for hopping on over on the vertical YouTube. Kindly hit that like button, please. All right, we've got 10 current viewers on YouTube. Holy smokes. Everybody just hopping in. This is an indie game. We're indie game studio called WalterNet Studios. We're playtesting our first game that is going to be published under WalterNet, which is called Bricks Over Blocks. And we're going to give it a go. It's right here on Steam. Check it out, Bricks Over Blocks. We just went live a couple days ago. We're trying to gather as many wish lists as possible, so kindly go wish list it. But what we're going to do today, we are going to play a couple different. We're going to play the very first prototype of our game. So this game is 7 weeks old. We have 10 amazing interns working on it. So here's where it all started. We're going to check it out here. This is where it all started. The original Brick Breaker prototype we made. So the idea is the original unofficial name was Paddle Hero. Let's check it out. Use arrow keys and the space button to jump. Some rudimentary beeps. But the prototype was built here. We had issues with the ball bouncing on the side of the wall. The jump is very floaty because Unreal Engine. And yeah, we had a heck of a time completing a level, but functionality-wise, this was it. This was our initial prototype right here. Was really hoping to beat it. In fact, I'm going to do this. Because I need to record some stuff. Rayantha Gamer, how are you doing? I really hate indie game development. Thanks for all the likes. Or we could try like this. I don't like indie game development very much. What does that meme say? Does everyone know? I really hate indie game development. All right. We're going to use that for a short. Okay. So this was the initial prototype. Hitting escape didn't do anything. There was no controller support. And the ball would get stuck, like you see here. So let's hop out of that. Let's try it once more. Here we go. Let's try again. See if we can get to level number 2. Initially, our first initial prototype, we were finding the fun. You can see the initial functionality is working. Here we go. See if we can get those last 2. Man, the jump is so slow. The jump is so slow. I remember this game back in the day. There we go. Okay, round 2. Here we go. I really don't like indie game development. Notice I keep saying that. I really hate indie game development. I'm so GDK. Let me answer that for you with a timeout. There we go. 10-minute timeout for my friend over there. Got to keep things cool. Oh, I zoomed in. Interesting. Okay. The only way to reset was Alt F4. So yeah, this was our initial prototype. Wish I could beat a level on it. All right, so here's our plan. The very first prototype. And we have done weekly prototype updates since this, but this is where it all started. The point of a prototype is just to test out the initial mechanic, see how it feels. A brick breaker paddle game with a twist. Here we go. You see the physics aren't working correctly because it I have no idea why it did this, but it would just start just going left and right like forever. Rayanth the gamer says that looks hard. Well, let's play. Okay, let's switch gears now. Let's play the week 6 build that our team's been working on. Hop out of there. Let's see if this looks any better. So, here we go. I think we're on are we on 1.9? I think this is where we're at. 1.14. 1.14. Here we go. Iterations. Are you ready for this, Animate Zach? Are you on the edge of your seat? That's my question for you. All right, so here we go. Unreal Engine, baby. WalterNet Games presents Bricks Over Blocks. We have a title screen. And press any key. Controller support works. Oh, crap! I am now able to go to play options and quit all with my controller. I'm not touching my mouse. This is coming along. All right, still says Paddle Hero there for some reason. We need to change that title to Bricks Over Blocks. Animate Zach says, As Reggie Fils-Aime always says, my body is ready. All right, here we go. Look at this. Anime Zach and Pierre, this is it. We have controller support for the menus. They're highlighting. We also have some really nice art coming in by Zach onto this one. All right, let's hit play. Ooh, we got a loading screen. I love that cute little animation. And here, wow, this looks so new. I love how wobbly he is. Very, very, he has got a nice jump speed. We have some weird visual stuff going on with the bricks. Oh crap, the cars are coming at me. Watch out for dodge the cars while you're breaking bricks, guys. This is actually pretty crazy with the cars. Still missing some textures on some of the block pieces. Looks like we're still using some of the cave blocks on the bottom. Oh, that's awesome. I do like how the ball bounces off that car. So it's amazing what a few weeks of development will do, right? I think I'm doing a pretty good job of protecting my blocks. We have sound now. I can hear some background music, which is nice, but I'm not hearing it as much on like the blocks and the smashing. Whoa, crap, did you see that? That was awesome. Little blocky got thrown at the screen. I wonder, so just looking at this, Zach, I want to hear your opinion on this. This whole front facade that we have, what if it had like some like apartment style windows or something on it? Like, would that be too weird if we kind of dressed up the border walls with like some like almost like decals, but with 3D going on them? Let's talk about that. So let's go on. I've lost my controller support now, so I have to go back to my mouse. You can here we have the stars. So there's going to be a little animation that pops in to show you how well you did as far as points go, and all that good stuff. So still a lot of stuff to pop in. Rayhanth says, what is that? This is Bricks Over Blocks, an indie game my team and I are working on. Here we go. Next level. Title menu has control support. We still don't have control support in between. I think we can get rid of that car going past. Oh, we have some hearts to pick up now, which is awesome. Whoa! Things got more difficult. Look how slow that ball's going now. That was so hard. We have stuff debug menu popping up on the side. Rayhan says, cool game. Let's see if we can do better. So this really escalated quickly, and that's part of the reason I wanted to start off with the holodeck level. I know it's boring, but even one that's just a basic tutorial for it. This is feeling good. There's some like cool ambient sounds going on, but I can't tell what quite that's for. That ball is like so trippy the way it wobbles around. I do love the trail behind it. It's looking really good. It's kind of like a crumbling sound when it hits those. Missing a lot of textures on the damage states. Do I know what's harder? The game is harder. It's more difficult. So this bridge section where the blocks break out so quickly. We could... I know we have new damage states coming for all the blocks. What the heck is going on with the ball now? What did I just do? Maybe that should be a power-up. And then it's like doing a sidewinder thing. Cannot figure that out. Okay, we got the hearts. The hearts look like they're pointed 90 degrees, like the wrong angle. They don't look like hearts at all. I actually wouldn't mind if... I know we talked about it. You're going to see the drops, the damage drops that happen in other levels. I still think more of that should be in here. And for my engineers, did you try the thing where we turn off the ball's collision after you hit it one time? And why does it have those weird physics when it bounces off of you? I'm trying to figure that out. Let's see if it'll do it again. No! Oh! You hit my bridge. My bridges are breaking. My bridges are breaking. Oh, no. Yeah, the hearts are pointed 90 degrees. Sure, they look awesome. Okay, we got you, bro. We got you, brother. Here we go. Nice. No! Got my lives back. I actually love that, getting my lives back. Little risk reward there. Okay, here we go. Fix that monk look. What's the monk look? Oh, Dejubalo, you're making fun of my hair. Gotcha. Okay, let me do something here. Let me help you out there. There you go. There you go. That should help you out. Okay, here we go. Gabe, how's it going over on TikTok? Animate Zach says trolls are out today. Yes, I'm so used to it though. So I think I've cultivated a pretty. I'm surprised I don't have more trolls on my Checkpoint channel. We've had a fair share of them, but for the most part, they're really respectful. So this is different. We're building up a new channel with a new community, new audience. So I don't know. I think Zach, it just takes time to build it up. But it's pretty simple. I help them out with a little gentle timeout. Actually, the trolls, I've noticed the trolls here are a lot more vicious. Maybe the Mario Maker 2 community just are nicer people. And 3D Mentor, how's it going? I'd like to welcome 3D Mentor to the chat. One of my favorite trolls. 3D Mentor, while you're here, I would love some feedback for my team on what they can do to improve Bricks Over Blocks. Keep in mind we have officially, I think we have 2 more weeks, maybe a week and a half, as far as the intern team goes. After that, it will be all Derek, Zach, and I making updates to the game. It's going to be published on Steam in just a couple weeks here, right before Thanksgiving break. We are hoping to release it officially on Steam, but also have it be all ready for the Steam Deck as well. Eventually, I would love to put it up on the Nintendo Switch. That's the plan after this. Uh, 3D Mentor says make some troll levels. Okay, we got the last one. Here we go. Do I look that bald today? Do I look... I thought I at least had some hair on top. Whatever. I was wearing a hat last stream because I started to feel bad about myself. But it's okay. We don't need that. All right, here we go. Next level. Hey, 3D Mentor, did you see we were playing the... Did you see the first version of this game we were playing earlier? We were playing the earliest prototype, so I think I'll do that again in just a minute. Oh my gosh, I haven't been recording vertically, so we're going to have to. I'm going to have to replay some of them. All right, here we go. Here we go. Need the controller support still here. Okay, here's the cave level. Something weird is going on in here. We lost our light. We lost our light in the cave level. I was so excited to show off how great it was looking. We're missing textures on the bricks. Super sad. Okay. Or those are like the default textures. So we need texture updates for the bricks. We need to lighten it all up. It looked so much better last week. I have some lighting issues going on. Oh, I missed it. I was looking at chat. Here we go. Oh, the ball's still going underneath. Oh, here we go. See, this is so much more exciting once you get those drops happening. Creates more to go after. You really start crunching those bricks up. I could see another power-up that would be really cool for him to do. Zach, we can keep this in mind for next week. But if you got like a special power-up that allowed you to just shoot like smaller version of those flame balls up, just like a gun for maybe like 10 seconds. We could even have a little 10-second counter on it. Just to really go crazy and clear out just a ton of bricks all at the same time. Oh no, we lost it. Ooh, my hearts are in the lava. No. So there's some cool sounds coming up, but I'm not sure what's going on with them. Oh, this is someone had mentioned that we have some weird jumping bugs going too, where if you press jump again, it does some weird stuff. Wow, are we still gonna clear this level? What happens if the fireball hits the black blocks? Did you see what happens? I'm not sure. Okay, let's get that last one. It breaks the blocks. So you want... Oh no! You want to hit them. I have 1 life left. I only have 1 life left. Can I even make that jump? I can. No! Dang it. Dang it. All right, here we go. Cervantes Padilla, thanks for the rose, my friend, on TikTok. You are super awesome. Lighting needs to be rebuilt. Maybe this is the problem. The lighting wasn't rebuilt before this was run. We are getting some debug lighting problems. So 3D Mentor says you may want to add a few metal blocks on the last layer so you can still jump around. So the point is that it gets more dangerous as those blocks break. So I think we could, yeah, putting a couple metal blocks in here so you can still jump around, like you could clear out all the blocks and still have some traversal. I think that's a good idea. The lava's starting to look good. It'd be cool if some fireballs could pop out of the lava. There's so much, I think there's so much we can add to this game as we continue to go along. Some weird stuff still happening. One of the big things I think we want to work on this week is the ball physics. They're still doing, it's kind of like Captain America's shield. It kind of does, it doesn't really obey the laws of physics for us. Has a weird spin on that's kind of the wiffle ball look. Oh, my hearts are falling down too. 3D Mentor says it seems the most dangerous thing is if the ball gets stuck under your own player. So to fix that, hold on, I'll tell you. I'm going to read that aloud. This is going to be a short. All right, so 3D Mentor says it looks like the most dangerous thing is if the ball gets stuck underneath the player. Yeah, so notice too when it ricochets off the head, it does like that huge trail of sparks because it's hitting off so much. So my idea is if we make it so the ball does not collide with the player after it hits the player for like a half a second, that would allow the ball to pass through the player. Say if it was stuck underneath you, it would just pass upwards through you and wouldn't sit and ping pong off. Also means you don't run the risk of pushing the ball through the collision on the sidewalls either, and it also fixes that jumping thing where it hits multiple times off of you. It would just hit once and then have time to travel up. I think that would fix a lot of stuff. So that's one of the things our engineers is working on right now is making it so it doesn't collide with the player after it hits them. Simple fixes for simple problems. Yeah, but for anyone watching, we have been working on this game for about 7 weeks as a team. Before that, the co-founder and I had done a prototype of the game, an initial design, And then we hired 10 interns for an 8-week project just to work on it. So we had several students from the University of Utah and a few from the University of North Texas. So really proud of the work they've done. It's just been 5 to 10 hours of work a week. A lot of them definitely have put in more time with that. So we'd have to tell them, hey, slow down. Just work your 5 to 10. So I'm really proud of what? No, we lost all our blocks of what everyone has done. If anyone has any questions about the development, let us know. We just went live on Steam a few days ago. I'm super stoked. Wish I'd done this years ago. But the plan is to keep working on this. So if you purchase the early access for free, by the way, we will continue iterating on this. I'm having a heck of a hard time on this level. Really wish the lighting were fixed. We'll have to do another stream a little later today with the lighting fixed. So slow. Okay, we're going to do it this time. I'm going to make sure we hit all the fireballs we're supposed to. I love how they one-shot kill the bricks as they go up. This feels good. So satisfying. Okay. We got it this time. Need lively music in here. We need lively music, and we need louder, like, crashing sounds when it hits the brick. It sounds kind of like it's making a crumbling sound. That's like the sound I would expect on the blocks below. The bricks above should be like a shattering sound, almost like breaking glass or hitting glass and cracking glass, like when they don't break. Oop. Yeah, and then the crumbling below. Ah, shoot. Missed it. Dang it. Got some combos going on. I just noticed my combo system. One of the things we talked about with the combos is the light, the texture on the ball would change colors as the combos changed. So you wouldn't have to look over there to the left. I even like the idea of little numbers popping up on the bricks to tell you like how much power they have left on their damage states. Kind of a 3, 2, 1. One of the things we need when we start the whole game as well is a 3, 2, 1 counter too, to tell you when you're going to start. And when you do die, we're hoping to get the death animation in and then start again with a 3, 2, 1. Another thing for future would be a counter and something for the speedrunners to see. Here we go. Oh, I aimed those perfectly. I almost think those fireballs should have a little area of effect on them. Okay, we're gonna do this one. No, we shot it. We shot it back down. Those should do the same thing. They after they hit the player, they should lose. They should not be able to collide again with the player for a half a second. I think would fix a lot of those issues. There we go. Oh, one more. Dang it. We did it. We did it! Nick Orlando 20, how's it going? Crispy, what up? Vibe check commented, boing, boing, boing. Awesome. Thank you, my friend. All right, here we go. Next level, baby. Ooh. Yeah, the lighting is definitely broken on this build. This is the most difficult thing in game development. When you start to get to the end of the project and there's all these changes you want to add in, and then things like this happen, like you lose your lighting pretty big things. So it can get really hard, really difficult at the end of the process to ship the game, and really be careful with like game-breaking bugs that'll really set you back. Everyone's trying to get last-minute changes in, and it can create havoc. Go. Gotta get those fireballs. Oh no! Fireballs are like the most, like, almost more important than the ball because of the amount of damage they do to the bricks. No, bounced that off the wrong way. Juggling those can be a huge benefit. There we go. So we're working on our combo meter here. See, and that one shot up when it shouldn't have. So we need to fix that so you can actually jump into the ball and not have it do really weird physics things. No! No! So many problems. That's going to bounce back down. Boom. There we go. Yeah, that bounced the wrong way again. Lots of physics problems. Oh, that was sweet. I think that fireball might do it for us. No, it didn't. Here we go. All right, next level. Here we go, everybody. Oh, so the hearts, yeah, the hearts need to not drop. I think they just need to stay where they're at. This is a really cool level. Oh, I'm in trubs. I'm in trubs. There we go. How much damage do those do to the eyes, though? So they'll one-shot the bricks, but not the other ones. Here we go. Yeah, this is a good lesson when working on games developments. Like a lot of times these packages get sent and updated for the weekly builds without looking at them and seeing if there are any issues with them. So right now, like, I think the lighting issues could have easily been fixed. Any kind of major bugs, you have to double check your work. Make sure it's all in there properly. Making changes and then posting a build is a recipe for disaster. Go. Do have like some cool camera shakes going on. Look how quickly I took out that eye. The Eye of Sauron. I'm totally breaking out that brick right here. What if I just sit? Go. Let's take him out. Send those fireballs right back up. This is once again the ball getting stuck underneath the player. Once you hop up, it gets underneath the lip of the head, making it really difficult. How come you're not throwing any fireballs out now? And those hearts just fall into the lava, which is a total bummer. There we go. Straight back up. Boom. I can't tell if that did any damage. There we go. We got it. We got it. No! We have one life left. One life left. We're hurting. There we go. Oh, we missed it. Still want to be able to tilt my head. And we lost. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Ooh. It hit it from the bottom and then jumped back up to the top. That was genius. There we go. Okay, that should take him out. Nope. Rough. Rough! Gotcha, bro. Shoot. Gotta do it this time. Straight up. Straight up again. Oh shoot. Fell into the pool. We have all those extra lives, but no way to get them because they just fall straight through to the lava. So you would have to know that a heart was going to appear, which doesn't make sense. Because I've got to break these bricks. Make friends along the way. Here we go. What is it doing? What the heck is the ball doing? It's so weird. And it keeps bouncing the wrong way. I jump into it and it bounces back down. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Somehow we won. Unbelievable. Animate Zach says it has a mind of its own. Yes, we need to get that fixed. We've only got so much time. What's going to happen now? Do we have another level? No, we don't get any of the forest levels. All right, we're going to go back again. So check this out. All right, Zach, I'm not sure if you were watching this. Everybody, go check out Bricks Over Blocks on Steam. I mean, if you want to. So we're going to compare that to 6 weeks ago. Just 6 weeks ago was this one, 1.11. No, I think it was no, not that one. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Okay, I think it was this one. Yeah, so this was just 6 weeks ago. No controller support. Here we go. This is how far we've come in 6 weeks. Our initial prototype proving out the core concept. Just with arrow keys and a space bar. Still weird physics problems. So we haven't fixed all those yet. How long is it going to do this? It's one of the problems we ran into early on, and I think our engineer had added some code in there, so after it bounced on the same plane, it would randomly change trajectory, and I think that's just been like put on steroids for our current one. Yeah, let's try that again. Version 1. And this is where I think I hate indie game development. So this is where you say, I really don't like indie game development. That one sounds good. Okay, so let's now let's do the latest version. Here we go. 1.14. I think this is it. This is it. Controller support? Oh yeah. Let's play. Wonder if D-pad still doesn't work. But this is where you say, I'm really starting to like indie game development. Or let's try this again. I'm really starting. Ooh. Where'd I go? No! Zach, where did I go? I'm still gonna beat the level though, watch. We're still gonna beat it! Unless the physics get really weird. No, how did you miss that? No! We got it! We did it, we still beat it. Let's try it again, you ready? I'm really starting to like indie game development. That's gonna be the cheesiest TikTok. I don't know if I should even allow it. See how light and bright this level is? So readable, so clear, so lovely. And then we have the cave level, which makes me sad. And unlit. And dark and unreadable. I like some of those twinkling sounds that are going on in the background. I just don't know what they're for. Is it when the hearts pop up? So it's doing that twinkling sound when the hearts appear, but it seems like they should do that when you pick them up. Oh, look at all those hearts! So we have the hearts now, and we got rid of the coins. Originally what I thought would happen, and call me crazy, Zach, but we could have the hearts fall down from the bricks just like the fireballs are, to give you something to pick up those hearts as they're falling down, instead of appearing on the ground, and then we could keep the coins as just a currency you could pick up as bonus points. What do you think about that? That might be something we'll have to add in later on. But I think what that would do is make the play space feel more active instead of those just passive kind of chilling down there heart pickups. So I'm kind of sold on that. I don't know what we'll do with the coins. Maybe we'll allow people to buy cosmetic upgrades for Blocky. Like that gold necklace and all that good stuff. Ooh, falling through the ground. All right, but that is it for today, everybody. We're going to call it good here for the feedback from my team, for the latest build we've played all the way through. We've given it a good go. His Dr. Dre drip, exactly. Super proud of the team working on this. For anyone watching this long, if you've caught the entire VOD, go give us a wish list. Help support our scrappy little ragtag tag team of game developers as we try to get this bad boy published into the hands of the masses and continue to improve the game itself. We'll see if we can beat this last level. Will I beat it or die trying? You just never know what the ball's gonna do. Ooh, I survived. Yeah, that. Oh, we died. We died. All right, everybody. Have a beautiful day.